It's a denial, but not a loss. Let's go ahead and talk about it. What's up, Wolverines, and welcome back to the channel. It is me, John Crump, host of the John Crump News Show, and I'm also a Gundy nominee. If you want, go ahead and vote for me over at thegundys.com for top voices of the 2A. And while you're at it, like, comment, and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And today we're going to be talking about the decision by the Supreme Court of the United States not to vacate the stay issued by the Second Circuit Court of Appeals over the CCIA. If you don't know, GOA sued and won a preliminary injunction over New York's anti-gun concealed carry law. The Second Circuit immediately stayed that on behest of the state, so GOA went to the Supreme Court. Now, even though the Supreme Court denied removing the stay, it is not a defeat. I'm going to read you the decision by the Supreme Court, part of it at least. It says, the applicants should not be deterred by today's order from again seeking relief if the Second Circuit does not, within a reasonable time, provide an explanation for its stay order or expedite considerations of the appeal. Basically, it's F around and find out. The Supreme Court is giving the Second Circuit time to say why they issued a stay or removing the stay or going ahead and expediting the appeal. If they do not, it's going to end up right back in the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court will act. So even though they didn't vacate the stay, which is the optimal solution, this is a shot across the bow of the Second Circuit saying you better not F around and find out. So what happens next? Hopefully the appeal gets expedited and the stay gets lifted by the Second Circuit, or they give some type of reasonable explanation of why they stayed it. Remember, the Second Circuit never gave an explanation of why they granted the stay. So now they have to, or they have to get rid of the stay or expedite the appeal. So it's the best of all things, I guess. It's not the total best, because the best would be the Supreme Court vacating the stay, but it is a shot across the bow of the Second Circuit saying that you cannot just do this, and you better explain yourself. So we'll see what happens from here, but that is the latest update. New Jersey also had a law blocked by a court. We'll see what happens there. That's also in the Second Circuit. So we'll see what happens. All right, guys, that is it for me for today. There might be another video, or it might be tomorrow, but it won't be like in the next 2 minutes. All right, guys, I love you very much. Stay ever vigilant, stay ever free, keeping the fight. I am out of here, Wolverines, motherfucker.